Hello, looking for anything special?
Yes, a dress in a warm color.
This orange one is lovely. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. I really like how this dress looks.
It suits you perfectly. The colors are just right.
Thank you. It feels so comfortable too. What do you think of this one?
It's lovely. The floral pattern is so cheerful.
I think it's perfect for summer.
Absolutely. You should try it on.
That will be $85. Would you like a bag for this?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. What a beautiful day to treat myself. What a beautiful day to treat myself.